Welcome back to my channel, Power Technology Academy. My name is Babak Nia, and today I'm going to explain for you about SEL-751 time current curve. So move your mouse cursor to the right side and try to pick overcurrent relay. Double click on overcurrent relay symbol and go to input section. We are not using any current transformer. We need to set the current transformer ratio by hand or manually. I'm using 250 and 5 as my current transformer ratio. To set my overcurrent protection, go to OCR tab. I'm going to use library. Go to library. Manufacturer for 751 is Schweitzer, so I can type S to find Schweitzer. Move your mouse cursor to model and type 7 and pick 751A. Press OK. In overcurrent section, I'm going to use C2. In pickup range, I'm going to use between 0.5 to 16. My pickup current for this experiment is 2.5, and the time dial I'm going to set 0.55. Go to instantaneous section. I'm going to set my pickup for instantaneous to 12, and I'm going to set the time delay to 0.1. When everything is set up, you can go to TCC, change this one to user defined, and I'm going to see my relay curve for the maximum. Let's consider 40 amp current, 40 K amp current. Press OK. Select your relay, choose a star protection and coordination, and choose a star view or create a star view. So this one is 40K as I said, so I cut my curve after 40K. This curve is my instantaneous curve, and this one is my inverse time curve. So inverse time curve is 51 and instantaneous is 50 relay. So as you can see, I have two separated curves. I need to combine them. So click on overcurrent relay, go to OCR tab, and choose integrated curve and press OK. Press OK. So this one is my combined curve. If you would like to increase the quality, plot option, access, font, and I can set my current to 10 and apply. So I have my current multiplier is 10, and also I can click on my overcurrent or right click on my overcurrent. I can activate the setting. I can see all the setting for this relay. If you would like to have better quality, right click, plot option, and in your plot option, label ID, I prefer to use 14, and for label setting, the preferred font for me is 14 too. OK, and turn off. So you can see I have my relay specification. If you would like to see current and voltage, current and time relationship, so you can click on your crosshair, you can move it in somewhere in the middle of the curve, and you can move this one up and down. For better quality, right click, plot option, and try to change the font size to 14 and press OK. So I can move my cursor up and down, and I can see my time with respect to delay, with respect to the current. So let's click on plot option, go to grid, and turn on the grid section. And let's click on export star view and save the result of this work. So you are familiar with 501, 751, and one electromagnetic relay. Next time I will use this different type of relay, and I will show you how I can coordinate one relay with another relay. So definitely, you know, in power system protection, for each protection device we need a backup. So I will explain for you about this backup protection idea. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.